What's up traders? Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to talk about how to short sell a stock the proper way. Okay, just before we begin, if you're new to this channel guys, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any future content. And without further ado, let's get straight into the charts. Alright guys, so welcome back. So let's get straight into it. So the right way to short sell a stock is very crucial for day trading. So as you can see here, there's a chart of AMD guys on a 3-minute time frame. Okay, this works for any time frame, so I'm just showing you the 3 minutes. Okay, so this is a chart of today on AMD guys. So as you can see at the open, the stock did whatever it had to do. Okay, made the high and the low. Okay, this was the high of day, this was the low of day. Okay, so the right way to short a stock guys is you want to see new highs. Get rid of this thing here. Okay, you want to short sell a stock on new highs. Okay, as soon as the stock breaks out, okay, this is where the beginner newbies, okay, when they see a breakout, they're buying, they're chasing high. Okay, and then look what the stock does. The stock absolutely collapses on new highs 85% of the time. So your goal as a trader is to capitalize on that. Okay, you want to spot the market. You want to like keep your eyes on the market to spot new highs guys. Okay, so to short sell the correct way, you want to see price action as soon as new highs are made. And right here, as you can see, this tail bar occurred. Okay, and this also shows a lot of weakness, this tail guys. Okay, price tried to push up and failed. Okay, and especially it's in the zone of a new high of day. When that occurs guys, you can short in here. Okay, as you can see, it dropped real quick. Okay, and then it bounced back up in this area to fill some more orders coming back down. Okay, the market moves in waves guys. All right, here's another example. This was the high of the day, briefly set. Okay, so the stock throughout the day dropped, and then we got a leg here, and then we kind of found some buyers in this zone. Okay, so as you can see, price just absolutely rocketed, pushed all the way up towards this area guys. It broke out $83, okay, by a few cents, and then what happened? Rejection. Okay, this is the right way to short stock. Your risk is minimal. Okay, you can risk 10 cents above this high for potential 50 cents. That's 5 to 1 risk to reward right there guys. Okay, newbies are buying this breakout. Oh, new high of day, let's buy. But what they don't see is look how far the stock has moved up. The chances of this to continue, very slim. Okay, you don't want to be buying breakouts that are like this guys. You want to be buying breakouts that are like this, consolidating. This is the high and then a push. You don't want to be buying this. Okay, that's not how the markets operate guys. The smart money is buying in here and selling in here guys. Okay, and as you can see, the stock briefly dropped, and then we had another bounce, another attempt to break this high, failed, back down guys. Also very important is to watch the level 2. Okay, you need to read the level 2 properly. You need to learn to read it properly guys. Okay, it's not just about watching price action. You need to see the orders coming in, okay, at certain levels guys. And this can be applied to buying also new lows. Look at this. All right, brief piercing on the low. All right, the rookies are shorting in here, and again absolutely crushed guys. Okay, the smart money is getting short on the pullbacks on this little wave, and they're covering the position to the rookies because we need them in the markets, right? We need rookie traders in the markets, otherwise the markets won't exist. Okay, simple as that. So look at your risk to reward. All right, if you can see this tail here. All right, you can risk this tail. Look at this guys. This happens every single day. You just have to spot it guys. Okay, here's another new high of this little pivot, brief pierce and fail. This is the way the markets operate. You just have to be there to spot them. So next time you guys try and short stock, make sure to look out for the new high look for the level 2 orders coming in, look for the rejection, look for price action, guys, and then you can have your confirmation. Wicks, 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 wicks everywhere, and that is your confirmation, guys. Okay, so I hope I've changed the way you think, guys. This is very important. As a beginner trader myself, when I first started, I was also doing the wrong things, buying breakouts, selling breakdowns, where you're taught the wrong things as a beginner trader. Whatever you read online, it's wrong. Okay, this is all experience, guys. So this is gonna be a brief, short video. Gonna wrap it up here, guys. As you can see, AMD is still falling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, I hope it was very informative. I hope you guys learned, and I hope you guys will apply this strategy to your trading. Okay, so without further ado, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for any future content, and I'll see you guys next time.